Nomor bamyo kajing Ïarap ini kajing Kyrshan ke bos Sorkar. Khynnah Skul juga nativity mau keruat. Komjur Khynnah Skul barem po Alumni Association mentagasi Khynnah tarik unailat arja rafsau kaya lum Synñiang. Nangkata ban ajing Ïarap ya ka Banrihun lengdo. Khynnah Skul kabak syongha kakasneng kabak kaban khandus nam kabani shimata shaka World Wrestling Championship kaban long Hakari Moldova. Hakani kasgi Khynnah Skul ke lum Synñiang paramaki berkumjur Khynnah Skul barem ke bukan tubruk balong ke officer kata tam Sorkar dan Synñiang dah kamtakan dikas Khynnah Skul kabali shimata hakani kajera sport kaban lagi Moldova Synñiang ay pagbubukin kabali tukyan nakani lang di Alumni Association untuk principal Skul itu dia kenaikan.
Masgaw ban ay electric karat ba ulala ban berkat bani minta ke step mat kunjuru so kuman shisha ba mentang layo alat kalinti ban lejakai teh po Ïarap da kajing ya donation lam jongki pajba ne ki pas people wat kamtam masngaw ban aingu nakamta nakane kapo ke school nativity higher secondary school ba kila ya donation lam kinohi kairu kila ya donation da kamesim kabah sibun kabah kemen bat kumjuru ya ki para kena para school ki jonga ba kila donation wala ki donation shpo arpo hanrei ngalala ban lepoy hadu hangtai hapo Ïarap bat nasio ban ai kuble ifadaru ba ilaju ai mensi benga por shaka por bat kamtamru ba ikirang ba bakilawan mene yaki sport jongka DSO bat yaki pas people bat kumjuru ya pi ki media de tangkum nehi kublesh ba andang lawan painam te na po Ïarap ngan wanra kanam kaburom kamtam hapo kane ka school ka jungi hapo ka district ka jungi bat ha ka shnong ka thau ka jungi bat hapo ka yim ka sem ka jungi bat kunjuru hapo kari ka India ka jungi bat nga ai kublei ru ya I sa confirm ba ilawan menta kasi ban dorkat lang badni bat ilawan ai mensim yangi bat I president pas people confirm but
Sir Dennis has mentioned that we are here because of Miss Banrihun Lingdo, who will go to Europe to participate in the international arm wrestling championship in Moldova, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a great, and we are very proud as past people of Nativity Higher Secondary School. We are here, we are proud, and we wish that the school will from time to time will create more leaders, will create more excellent student, and we hope that in the future this school will shine like our SDSU or DSU of district Hassan. So I would like to wish Banrihun on behalf of Nativity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association. We would like to wish her good luck and Godspeed, and we also would like to give you the encouragement that, like Susatam said, when there is a will, there's a way. So, and we also would like to encourage you by one word, by a great philosopher who said, a history was created by great people, and great people always create a great history. So we hope that this is a good opportunity, and this is your opportunity to represent a large country, India, to Europe. So we wish you to bring a good success, and we would like to see you that when you come back in this place, so we would like to see you that you will come with successful. So I